soon-to-be first alum that are in the room with us. We will be doing a first alumni photo at the field when we start lunch. Do not forget that. Come on down to the field. Our lunch will be starting after match number 30. Match number 30 is when we're starting our lunch. We will return with match number 31 at 1:30. If you are in match number 31, please start queuing at least 1:25. With that being said, we are ready to go for qualification match number 27. All right, teams, this match starts in 3, 2, 1, go!
All right, and we got a couple moving teams already over here on the red lines. Team 19530 places the first specimen, while 22309 seems to be stuck with their specimen not quite placed. They then go and place a sample into that top basket. Meanwhile, the blue lines has kind of placed a specimen in that high chamber. It looks like it's hanging on by a thread, so hopefully they're able to put it down properly once the autonomous period starts. Unfortunately, it looks like only one robot's left moving, and the pink Viper throws that sample
Drivers,
right out.
pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
All right, now that the drivers are in charge of their robots, looks like we have almost a little bit of competition on the red lines. They're trying to maneuver around each other as best as they can as they try to place these specimens. Immediately, Team 15530 moves some red samples over to the observation zone to get a couple more specimens on the way. On the blue side of the field, looks like we're trying to pick out of the barrier, trying to get all of these blue specimens, or any specimen at all, into the high basket here. The scores are extremely tight at the moment, 52-54. These teams are going to have to work hard to match each other's pace. Over on the red side of the field, we get one more sample placed into that high basket. We've got a little bit of defense being played here over on the ascent zone on the far side of the field, as both a red and a blue team try to reach for those specimens, looking for the color-specific ones that can be turned into specimens and not the neutral ones that cannot. Looks like Team 22309 has got a really strong cycle going, placing some specimens right up into that top basket. But the scores are still tight. They're still less than a climb away from being able to tie up the game. It could be anybody's score at this point. Looks like on the blue lines, they're trying very hard to tighten up that gap. We are back at a tie score with only 40 seconds left to the game. The Red Alliance takes up space in the middle here, gets in the way of Team 27344, trying to get through to the barrier. And with the endgame horn, these teams are going to have to cycle even faster to close the gap. Right now, the Red Alliance has taken the advantage points-wise.
Robotics!
And we are waiting for a score on that last match, probably to do with that climb that seems to be a little questionable. So we'll be back soon for the next match.